Try not to bend the copper tracks too much. If you purchase an OEM rear cover, it will come with this circuit and all the antennas and the vibrating motor already attached. These small metal discs can also be removed and exchanged over to your new case. When placing this circuit into your new cover, make sure it lines up with the markings and it sits perfectly central. This is the inductive wireless charging circuit, and these are for the NFC antenna. The 4 small silver discs and this metallic pad will help the phone stick to a magnetic wireless charging station. If you need to remove or replace the battery, undo these 6 silver screws. These are all the same size, so don't worry about getting them mixed up. This is held in place with some adhesive under here. Lever and lift this away. If you need to replace the camera lens, you can replace this whole cover or push the old lens out and then glue your new one